Volkswagen just completely redesigned its biggest SUV, and the all-new 2027 Atlas is arriving as one of the most well-rounded three-row packages the segment has ever seen. If you've been cross-shopping three-row SUVs and keep walking away frustrated, too expensive, not enough rear-row space, or technology that already feels a generation behind, the new Atlas is being built to answer every single one of those complaints. You may assume a German-branded three-row means luxury pricing and a third row that barely fits kids, but the 2027 Atlas is seating real adults across all three rows, putting 282 horsepower under the hood and starting at around $40,000 with a screen that rivals vehicles costing $20,000 more. Complete redesign. Change is rarely this comprehensive. The 2027 Atlas is arriving as a second-generation model, and Volkswagen isn't approaching this lightly. This is a full redesign, not a refresh, not a mid-cycle update, but a ground-up overhaul that touches every area of the vehicle. The exterior is going in a new direction, the cabin is being rethought, the powertrain is getting a meaningful upgrade, and the technology is being rebuilt to match what buyers in this segment now expect as a baseline. With the three-row SUV market more competitive than ever, rivals have been closing the gap, and VW clearly decided the answer wasn't incremental. The 2027 Atlas is coming in with the kind of comprehensive improvements that reset expectations, and that ambition only holds up if the execution is there. The first place buyers are going to judge it is from the outside, and the new Atlas has a lot to say on that front. New aesthetics. Presence matters in this class, and the 2027 Atlas is arriving with considerably more of it. The boxy proportions that defined the original Atlas are staying. Those proportions deliver the interior volume that three-row buyers are counting on. But everything built around them is being reworked to look bolder, more muscular, and far more mature than before. Parking an outgoing Atlas next to a Telluride or a Palisade was a tough comparison. The Atlas simply didn't carry the same visual weight, and that gap influenced buying decisions in ways that spec sheets alone can't fix. Volkswagen is addressing this directly with a redesigned front end featuring a geometric grille, a full-width LED light bar, and sharper body surfacing throughout. The result is a vehicle that holds its own in that cross-shopping scenario, rather than conceding ground from the first glance. At the rear, tighter shut lines, revised taillights, and a more sculpted profile complete the package, creating a vehicle that reads as athletic even with three rows packaged inside. A bolder look draws attention at the dealership, but nothing keeps a serious buyer at the table like what's waiting under the hood. And that's exactly where things get interesting. Powertrain. The 2027 Atlas is getting a powertrain that deserves more attention than it might initially seem. The engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, the same base architecture found in the smaller Tiguan, but calibrated specifically for the Atlas. That means 282 horsepower, a genuine step up from the Tiguan Turbo's 268 horsepower output, and an improvement that will be felt in real driving situations. Anyone who's spent time in an underpowered three-row, loaded with passengers and luggage, knows what that gap between adequate and confident feels like on a highway merge or a long uphill grade. That hesitation is one of the most consistent complaints in this class. This engine is being paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, engineered to keep power delivery smooth, so the Atlas moves when it needs to, without drama. Front-wheel drive is the standard configuration, with all-wheel drive available as an option. Towing capacity is rated at 5,000 pounds, putting the Atlas in a solid position for families pulling a trailer or a small boat. More power and capable towing are exactly what a family hauler needs, but none of that matters if the people inside aren't comfortable, and the cabin changes coming with this generation are where VW is really raising the bar. All-new cabin. The interior of the 2027 Atlas is going through a significant transformation, and the direction is clear: more refinement, better materials, and genuine usability across all three rows. This isn't a cabin designed to impress during a dealership walkthrough and disappoint on day two. It's being built around the way families actually use a three-row SUV. The front row is getting a 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat with 4-way lumbar support, along with the option for massaging front seats, a feature that typically requires a much higher price of admission. Wood trim is going to be standard on every trim level, while leather upholstery is being offered on the upper grades. Third-row passengers are often the ones who get the short end of the deal in this segment: cramped quarters, no charging access, and the sense that the rear row was added to hit a seat count number rather than serve people. The 2027 Atlas is taking a different approach. The third row is going to seat 2 adults comfortably, with charging ports and cup holders built in. The second row is getting a standard 3-across bench seat with optional captain's chairs, rear window sun sunshades, and dedicated climate control vents standard across the lineup. The cabin isn't just large, it's being designed to actually function for everyone in it. A great interior sets the stage, but it only reaches its full potential when the technology keeps pace. And that's the next piece of this story. Tech updates and upgrades. This is one of the strongest parts of the 2027 Atlas story. The base S trim is getting a 12.9-inch touchscreen as standard, already a generous starting point. But every trim above the base is stepping up to a 15-inch display, one of the larger screens available in a mainstream 3-row SUV. Buyers who spend real time behind the wheel know how quickly a slow or cluttered infotainment system becomes a daily frustration, something you interact with on every single drive. Tangled cables and unresponsive screens erode satisfaction over time. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are going to be standard across the entire lineup, with USB-C ports placed throughout the cabin. Dual wireless smartphone charging pads are also available, removing cable dependency entirely. A 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster is standard on every Atlas. Audio starts with a 9-speaker stereo, with a 14-speaker Harman Kardon system available at the top of the range. Adjustable ambient lighting is standard as well, adding a noticeably more premium feel to the cabin. A strong technology package makes a real difference in daily life, but it means very little if the vehicle isn't keeping its occupants safe, and that's where Volkswagen has made sure the Atlas isn't cutting corners. Safety. The 2027 Atlas is arriving with a safety package that handles both the essentials and meaningful upgrades for those who want more from their driver assistance systems. Every Atlas is going to come with automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and front and rear parking sensors, a solid foundation that requires no additional spend to access. For buyers who cover real highway miles regularly, the difference between arriving relaxed and arriving tense often comes down to how much the vehicle is doing for you. Adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature is being offered as an option, managing both following distance and lateral positioning simultaneously, reducing driver workload on extended trips. The standard safety suite is well structured, and the available upgrades are practical ones that drivers in this segment will actually reach for regularly. All of that adds up to a well-rounded package, and the only question left is when it's arriving and what it's going to cost. Release date and price. The 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is about to arrive at dealerships later this year. Given the scale of this redesign, the wait is shaping up to be worthwhile. Pricing is going to open at around $40,000 for the base S trim, with the SE estimated at around $45,000, the SEL at $50,000, and the fully loaded SEL Premium at approximately $55,000. That's a structured lineup, giving buyers a clear path to the features that matter most. Given the space, technology, updated powertrain, and redesigned interior, the 2027 Atlas is bringing to market that pricing positions it as a genuinely competitive option against the Telluride, Palisade, and Traverse. The new Atlas isn't simply trying to keep up. It's arriving with enough across-the-board improvements to make a very serious run at the top of the conversation. The 2027 Volkswagen Atlas is arriving as a genuinely different vehicle from what came before. Bolder on the outside, more refined on the inside, and significantly better equipped across every area that matters to a family buyer. A 282 horsepower turbocharged engine and 5,000-pound towing capacity take care of capability, while a cabin that works across all 3 rows, a 15-inch touchscreen, wireless connectivity throughout, and a solid standard safety suite handle everything else. With a starting price of around $40,000 and a fully loaded ceiling of approximately $55,000, the new Atlas is positioning itself as a serious alternative to the segment's most established names, and it has every reason to be taken seriously. But as mentioned, this is a crowded segment, where key rivals are also shaping up for the next year. One of the models is the 2027 Kia Telluride, which is also getting a full redesign, which you can check out in our next video. It's getting bolder, more spacious, more upscale, and with a couple of brand new powertrains that will make it an even more appealing package than before.